If you're new here, my name is Ken. Today I'll be unboxing the Terramaster D2 310 USB Type-C external hard drive, RAID enclosure, so let's get straight into the video. Inside the box, you get the Terramaster D2 310 RAID storage, you get the power cable, you get a USB-C to USB-A cable, screws to secure the 2.5-inch SSD drives, a small screwdriver to set the dial for the RAID mode, and the reset tool. You get extra rubber supports for the hard drives in the bays. You get labels to stick on the hard drive bays, and finally you get a user manual. The Terramaster D2's D2 310's enclosure is made from aluminium with the front and back made from plastic. It has a length of 11.22 centimeters, a width of 13.3 centimeters, and a height of 11.9 centimeters, and it weighs 1.32 kilograms. The front has a power button, the power LED, the LEDs for the hard drives 1 and 2, and the 2 hard drive bays. The back has a fan, the power port, USB Type-C 3.1 port, the small dial for different drive modes, and a reset option. I also bought 2 Seagate Barracuda 2TB 3.5-inch drives for the 2 hard drive bays, but it's also compatible with the 2.5-inch SSDs. The D2 310 features different drive modes which can be set depending on your preferences and needs. RAID, which is redundant array of independent disks, creates a data loss failsafe by merging 2 or more hard disks or SSDs into one storage unit or array. RAID 0 is a process of data stripping, and it separates files into segments for storage, which in the case of the D2 310 can give you faster read and write speeds of up to 420 megabits per second, but offers no redundancy, so there's no copy. RAID 1's process of disk mirroring creates copies of the same file for storage. So in a 2-disk array, RAID 1 configuration, if one of the disks fell, the second disk drive holds the same data and can be recovered. Just bear in mind that disk mirroring only works with 2 disk drives with the same capacity. The single option, where the drives appear as a single drive within their own volumes. For example, you get volume C or volume D. JBOD, which is just a bunch of disks or drives, are a number of disk drives which can be different sizes. For example, you could have a 2TB drive and a 6TB drive, but makes up one 8TB volume. And again, this option offers no redundancy, so there's no copies. Once I installed the drives, the setup process was very straightforward. I connected the power cord and the D2 310 to my PC via the USB-C to USB-A cable. As there's no software utilities that you can download from Terramaster, I accessed the management console Windows to initialize the drives. I formatted them both to exFAT, as I'll be using the storage device on both Windows and Mac, and it was ready to use, so the whole process only took a few minutes. So you may be wondering, Ken, why did you decide to go for this DAS drive, this direct access storage, and the hard drives you chose and not a NAS, network attached storage, or NAS drives? Well, NAS devices and drives are built to run 24/7 and tend to be more reliable and have many benefits, such as being able to access your data remotely. Based on my personal usage, I don't need the storage device to be on all the time. I need a device I could turn on, store videos, pictures, and some documents as and when I needed to, as I have the information backed up on other devices in other locations. The great thing about this D2 310 is that if I decide I would like to purchase and upgrade to a NAS storage device, I could buy a NAS drive, a NAS storage device from Terramaster, and connect the DAS to the NAS via the USB 3.1 port in the back of the device, which adds more storage to the NAS. So the Terramaster D2 310 retails for $139.99 on Amazon UK, but the price can fluctuate from week to week. Terramaster sell a similar 2-bay RAID hard drive enclosure for £119 on Amazon UK if you're looking for a slightly cheaper option. So that is the video, guys. Thank you if you made it all the way to the end. If you're new to my channel and you like my videos, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you to all my subscribers. A like is always appreciated. Feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you all in the next video.